I hope you enjoy viewing this tour. If you would like to see this property in person, please contact me at 706-455-6977 Traditional Brick West / Country Charm. This ranch is complemented with beautiful renovations inside and out. Spacious 3-bedroom / 2/bath, plantation shutters throughout home, spacious kitchen, nearly new stainless steel appliances, including a fireplace and plenty of storage. Dining room with seating for the whole family and living room that opens to the deck for endless social events or keep it quiet and relax by the second fireplaces in the home. Large master bedroom, private bathroom west / heated tile floors, sunroom / study off the master connects to the outside deck. Large garage, 1,500 square feet, fully insulated, holds all your toys and storage, plumbed for bathroom and walls up for additional rooms. Unrestricted land, place to leave the RV west / hookup available, including